Hello guys and welcome back. This is Wills, and in today's tutorial I want to show you how you can create a gig on Fiverr. So you created your account, you've edited your profile, you put a nice picture, you've put your education and work experience. Now it's time to complete another important step that will make you start making money on Fiverr. So this important step is creating a gig on Fiverr. Now you should take time and create a perfect gig. A perfect gig has a well optimized title, description, and tags. In today's video, I'm going to focus on the title and tags. In the next video, I'll be looking at the description. So, what has been your process on making money on Fiverr? How long have you been on Fiverr? So, I would like you to answer me in the comment section. Just let me know how long you've been on Fiverr and when did you start getting your first order. So, I will show you how to do the keyword research and optimize it for the Fiverr SEO algorithm so that you can start getting more impressions, clicks, and orders. Now, this video will also show you how to match the title, description, and tags so that you start making getting orders on Fiverr. So if this is your first time on this channel, welcome. You can like, share, and comment about this content. And without wasting too much time, let's get into the video. Title. Now this is the first section of your gig. Now this is what the algorithm, the Fiverr algorithm will first see. So there are important things you need to know about the title. One is the keywords. Your title has to have the keywords, the right keywords, so that it can appear on the first page of Fiverr. Now, to get the keywords right, you have to do some research and analysis. So I will show you an example of how you can do an analysis of keywords and come up with a perfect title that will make you appear on the first page and make your gig have more impressions and clicks. So what do we do? The first thing, so I'm using the example of article writing as the niche. Article writing. Okay, so I'm going to hit search. Okay, then you can come here and sort by relevance. Sort by relevance. In this case I can choose best selling. Okay, I want to get the best selling gigs in this category. So you can see these are the guys, these are the gigs appearing on the first page. This is page 1 on Fiverr. This is the first page. So if you want your gig to appear on this first page, you must use the right keywords in your title. When you are creating your gig, you have to ensure that your title has the right keywords. So the first thing we've done is to do a search. We've now come up with these top performing gigs. So we can take our analysis and use 5 gigs, or a more in-depth analysis, you can do 10 gigs appearing here on this first page. So what I'm going to do is to copy the titles For example, I want to copy this title. I click on the gig, open a new tab. We have it here. Then you copy this title. Copy. You can paste it in Notepad. Then you paste it in Word. I'll show you how to analyze the keywords. You paste it in Word. For example, you paste it here. Okay, so I've already done the analysis and I'm going to show you. I've already copy pasted the titles. So what is remaining is to show you what are the patterns, what are the trends, or what are the common things that all these titles have. Okay, so the next thing after listing all the titles that you want to analyze, you can see we have 10 of them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This represents the 10 gigs that we found on the first page of Fiverr. So what I'm going to do is to do a find. Use the Control F function. Okay, so I'm going to type in a word like article, then hit enter. You see, you can see the word article appearing in nearly all the gigs. In fact, if you put articles, if you change it a bit to articles, it's 4 times. So it means that the highest number we are having, the word article, is giving us 11 results. That is including this one. You can exclude this one. So 11 results show that article is the key word that we cannot afford to ignore when creating a gig about article writing. So that is how we are going to create our title. You have to ensure that the word article is in your title, and you can create a unique title, but it has to include the word article. You can include other keywords like SEO, which are also appearing among the most common words. You can see SEO has 6 results. So that is in brief how you'll do the title, and you'll be able to increase your impressions after creating your gig on Fiverr. And it also forms an important component of on-page SEO. So what are tags? Tags are words and phrases that are usually picked by the search engine used by Fiverr. So you also need to do an analysis of the related tags to ensure that your gig has the right tags so that it can appear on the first page of Fiverr. So what you do for the tags is that you do the same procedure. You list the tags that you find on the top 5 or top 10 gigs that you want to analyze. So for example, within the category of article writing, I've copied the 5 tags. You can see here the first gig has the SEO article as the first tag, then this is the second tag, this is the third tag, the fourth tag, and the fifth tag. Then you can also see the second gig which is for the German gig, has this German as the first tag, blog post as the next tag, then writer as the third tag, then finally have content as the fourth tag. So you can see there's an emerging trend. See, then the third gig, you can see these are the tags. You can see every gig has a unique set of tags, and you can be inspired in your gig creation by identifying the themes in these, the common phrases that you can use for your gig. So that is it for title tags, the related tags, and the next video I will show you how to do the description part and maybe images and the pricing, which are also very important components of your gig. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.